want to go over just the very basics of core contraction, starting with how to activate your transverse abdominis. So the easiest way to start is lying down on your back. I usually like to have the knees bent. So the transverse abdominis is that horizontal muscle that lies deep between the six-pack abs, deep between the obliques. It acts as a functional brace for your back and your pelvis. So as you activate this muscle, your belly button should draw in and you should feel just a little bit of tension out against your fingers. So again, if we want to use the front of our hips as a good marker, and then you're going to bring your fingertips just inside that. Should feel nice and soft and squishy before you do anything. And then when we try to get that muscle to activate, there should be a little bit of tension out against my fingers. So if we want to try to just make this activate the easiest way possible, you can start by making a hissing noise like a snake. So go, and you should feel that little bit of activation under your fingers. If that doesn't work, you can try to forcefully exhale like you're blowing out a candle. So go. That last muscle that's activating, that should be that transverse abdominis. So that belly button's drawing in like we're trying to squeeze into a tight pair of pants. What I don't want is for the ribs to flare out as you're trying to do that, for the belly to bulge out, for you to feel like you're holding your breath, you're bearing down. So it should be a really nice, easy contraction. You should be able to hold it as you're talking, as you're breathing. So sometimes it's nice to maybe make that hissing noise like a snake or forcefully exhale as we're first working on it. And then see if we can just hold on to that contraction as we take our next inhale, exhale, keeping contracted, and then let that relax all the way. So you can try that for a couple times. You can try it in sitting. Forcefully inhale and then exhale, getting that contraction, holding as we're breathing, and then letting go. Trying to practice in different positions. Eventually we're going to want to coordinate with this with movement, so as we're lifting, as we're getting up and down. But first I just want to get comfortable activating it.